Good morning, students of class 11th. Welcome to your online classes of English. Today, in the Hornbill section, we will be covering out the chapter Lesson 5, The Ealing Planet, The Green Movement's Role by Nani Palkiwala. Who's the author? Nani Palkiwala. First of all, students, what do you mean by ailing planet? Ailing planet means we are talking about sick planet. We are talking about our planet Earth, which is sick. That means we, the human beings, who are whole soul responsible for making our planet sick, the green movement's role. In the next part, we'll be talking about the green movement's role. That means plantation of trees and all, making our environment green. Okay, now first of all, I would be telling you what are the main objectives and outcome of the lesson. The main objective of the lesson is that means day by day we are seeing that our environment is deteriorating. Okay, why it is deteriorating? Because we are the human beings who are whole soul responsible for disturbing this planet Earth. We are polluting it. Okay, we are cutting away forests, we are cutting away trees. Okay, that means we are making buildings, we are making roads and all, concrete buildings, cutting away the forest and all. That means the jungles have totally been destroyed, and we are running vehicles all over the world. Due to that, pollution has been created. Due to pollution, what we have seen in Antarctica, the formation of carbon in the icebergs, and the icebergs are melting away with the rapid speed. Okay, and this will increase the sea level. Okay, so all these things we are doing. That means we are the persons, the human beings, who are whole soul responsible for disturbing this planet Earth, making this planet Earth a ailing planet, a sick planet. Okay, that means what we have to do? We have to procure this, we have to secure this for our future generation, so that our future generation could also see all this. This is the main objective of the lesson. What is the main outcome of the lesson? The main outcome of the lesson is that we should procure the things for our future generation through sustainable development. What do you mean by sustainable development? That means without harming the present and keeping the things secure for the future generation. That is known as sustainable development. So we should not think that we are the owner of the earth. We are only the tenants. Okay? That means human beings can come and he will go one day from this world. He will leave one day this world. So he has to procure this planet Earth for the future generation. So this is the major outcome of the lesson, you could say. Now see, the Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role by Nani Palkiwala. First of all, I would be telling you about the introduction part. Now see, in the introduction part, the Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role is a sad commentary on the gradual deterioration of our environment. Okay, that means day by day we are seeing our environment is deteriorating. Why it is deteriorating? Because we human beings are the whole soul responsible for deteriorating this planet Earth, making this planet Earth the ailing planet, the sick planet, you could say. Okay, the planet Earth is no more a pleasant place for habitation. Okay, now at present the planet Earth is no more a pleasant place. Pleasant place means, what do you mean by pleasant place? A happy place. It is no more a happy place at all. Okay, for habitation. For habitation of what? For habitation of fisheries. Okay, that means fisheries are totally destroying. Okay, forests are totally destroying, grasslands are totally destroying, and croplands are totally destroying. We need more and more of that. We need more of fisheries, more of forest, more of grassland, and more of croplands, you could say, need to be preserved and protected. It needed to be preserved and protected for the future generation. Let us contain population explosion and stop perpetuation of poverty. We should control our population explosion and we should not perpetuate poverty. दैट मीन्स हमको गरीबी को बढ़ावा नहीं देना चाहिए, पॉपुलेशन को हमको कंट्रोल करना चाहिए. द ग्रीन मूवमेंट इज़ द ओनली होप फॉर दिस प्लानट and the survival of human race. That means the green movement is the only hope for our survival as well as survival of this planet, okay, and the creatures of this planet, because we are totally interdependent on each other. Now see, I would be explaining you the lesson in detail now. First, in the first paragraph, we will be talking about the green movement. What is green movement? This question is oftenly asked in the examination. What do you mean by green movement? Okay. The green movement started nearly 35 years ago in 1972. When the green movement started? Green movement started 35 years ago in the year 1972. Since there, it has captured the imagination of millions. Okay, it has captured the imaginations of millions since then, from 1972 to till now. Okay, the world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Okay, where the first nationwide Green Party was found? First nationwide Green Party was found in New Zealand. All the way it started from New Zealand. Now see in the second paragraph, a new holistic view of the world. That what do you mean by holistic view? Holistic view means हम संपूर्ण संसार का दृष्टिकोण प्रस्तुत करते हैं. ओके, व्हाट डू यू माई न्यू होलिस्टिक व्यू ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? दैट मीन्स हम संपूर्ण संसार का दृष्टिकोण प्रस्तुत करते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट ग्रीन मूवमेंट हैज़ चेंज्ड आवर कॉन्सेप्ट्स. Green movements has changed our concepts. The shift is very positive now. The shift is very positive now. Now we have a holistic view of the world. At present, we are having the whole view of the world. That means संपूर्ण संसार का दृष्टिकोण जो है हमारे पास आज है. For the first time, there is growing a worldwide consciousness. That means पहली बार लोग आत्मा से सोच रहे हैं, अपनी सोल से सोच रहे हैं. That means they are listening from their hearts. Okay, that earth itself is a living organism. That earth itself is a living organism. Earth has also a life. It is a living organism. Now see in the third paragraph, sustainable development. Okay, this question also comes in the examination very oftenly. What do you mean by sustainable development? Now we will be talking about that. Now see, in 1987, the World Commission of Environment and Development defined what is meant by sustainable development. That means in the year 1987, the World Commission on Environment and Development defined what is sustainable development. It means human development that fulfills the needs of the present without harming the future. That means fulfilling the needs of present without harming the future. That means we should not harm the future to fulfill the present. Okay? Without harming the future of mankind. Man shares the earth with 1.4 million living species. That means man is sharing the earth with 1.4 million species. That means other creatures are also there along with the human beings. Okay, we share this planet earth with them. This earth has become a scorched planet. At present, this planet earth has become a scorched planet. What do you mean by scorched planet? That means ये planet earth जो है काफ़ी संकीर्ण हो गया है, नैरो हो गया है, सिकुड़ गया है. Okay, that is known as scorched. Okay, डेजर्ट्स आर एडवांसिंग. डेजर्ट्स जो है बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, रेगिस्तान बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. लैंडस्केप्स एंड एनवायरनमेंट्स हैव बीन डिग्रेडेड. जो हमारे लैंडस्केप्स हैं, व्हाट डू मीन बाय लैंडस्केप्स, वी हैव स्टडीड इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर ऑल्सो. दैट मीन्स we are talking about the mountain, the rivers, okay, the mountain, the rivers, the forests, the fisheries and all. That means all that come under landscape, the skies, the waterfalls and all, everything. So we are destroying our landscapes and the environment have been degraded, and we have totally degraded our environment. हमने अपने environment को totally बिगाड़ के रख दिया है. Okay. Now see in the fourth paragraph, Earth's main biological system. What are the Earth's main biological system? We'll be talking about that now. Now see, what are Earth's main biological system? Fisheries, forest, grasslands and croplands. Four type of things are there. What are they? Fisheries, forest, grasslands and croplands are the four main biological system of this planet Earth. They are the basis of the global economic system. They are the basis of what? They are the basis of the global economic system. But these basic systems are being threatened. But these basic systems are being threatened at present. What we are talking about? Fisheries, grasslands, croplands and what? That means we are talking about the four major things. Fisheries, forest, grasslands and croplands are in the danger of being destroyed. That means they are being threatened at present. They are reaching an unsustainable level. That means they are reaching an unsustainable level. Now see, production has fallen down. Production has fallen down in the croplands and all. Okay, fisheries have been ruined. Fisheries have been ruined totally. Forests are disappearing. We are cutting away the forest day by day, so it is disappearing day by day. Okay, grasslands are being converted into wastelands. Grasslands are converted into wasteland. जहाँ पे grasslands हुआ करते थे, आज वो ज़मीन जो है बंजर हो गई है. They have converted into wastelands. Croplands are not in good shape. जो हमारे croplands हैं, जो हमारी खेती है, आज वो अच्छे शेप में नहीं हैं. दैट मीन्स बहुत सारे हमको दवाइयों का यूज़ क्यों करना पड़ता है, फर्टिलाइज़र्स का यूज़ क्यों करना पड़ता है, ओके, अनाज उगाने के लिए. ओके, इसकी ज़रूरत हमको नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. ओके, नाउ से croplands are not in good shape. Tropical forests are powerhouses of evolution. That means tropical forests are the powerhouses of evolution. We are cutting away our tropical forests also, which brings rains, which brings monsoon in our country. But these face extinction also. अब ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट जो है एक्सटेंशन के कगार पे आ गए हैं, लुप्त होने के कगार पे आ गए हैं. ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेन फॉरेस्ट्स. ओके, नाउ सी इन द 5th पैराग्राफ, फॉरेस्ट प्रिसीड मैनकाइंड. दैट मीन्स फॉरेस्ट जो है मनुष्य के पहले आता है. ओके, forest comes first. If these things are alive, we are also alive then, because we are totally interdependent on each other. Now see, forest precede mankind. Forest precede mankind. Human being के पहले forest आता है. Desert follow them, उसके बाद desert आता है. 50 million acres of tropical forest are disappearing every year. You can imagine, that means 50 acres of tropical forest are disappearing every year. You can imagine about that. Okay, the World Bank estimates that a 5-fold increase in forest plantation is needed to cope with the fuel wood. That means for the need of fuel wood, the World Bank has estimated what? That 5-fold increase in forest. Okay, plantation is needed to cope up with fuel wood, to need the demands of fuel wood. Okay, demand in the coming years, actually we are losing forest at the rate of an acre and a half every second. You can imagine, every second we are losing the forest acre and a half. Okay, according to a government report, according to a government's report, India is losing 3.7 million acres of forest every year. According to government report, what we find in India we find that India is losing 3.7 million acres of forest every year. Okay, the actual loss is much higher. This is in the books, but the actual loss is much higher than this. Okay, now see in the 6th paragraph, development and population. That means we are making development in the whole world and population is increasing day by day, and this threatens our planet Earth. We'll talk about that now. Education spreads and health improves. Education spreads and health improves. Fertility falls as income rises. Okay, fertility falls as income rises. So development is the best contraceptive. You could say that development is the best contraceptive, but development fails if the population grows. But development fails if the population grows. we need to put control on our population growth for making development. More children does not mean more workers. It does not mean that. If you are having more children in your houses, so you will be getting the jobs for all the children. But it means what? More people without work. It means more people without work. So poverty continues. So poverty continues in this way. Now see in the seventh paragraph, population deteriorating environment. As the population is increasing day by day, it is deteriorating environment. Why it is deteriorating environment? The demands to be fulfilled of the population. Because of that, we are deteriorating our environment. We'll talk about that now. Okay? Population deteriorating environment. Satellites and aerial surveys conducted by the UNO. UNO means United Nations Organization. Satellite and aerial surveys conducted by United Nations Organization by the UNO warn that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it can be termed as critical. हमने एनवायरनमेंट को इस कदर बिगाड़ के रख दिया है कि आज हमारा प्लैनेट अर्थ क्रिटिकल पोजीशन में है. क्रिटिकल पोजीशन में मीन्स व्हाट? नाजुक हालत में है, बहुत ही नाजुक हालत में है. द ग्रोथ ऑफ वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन is the main cause of this. What is the main cause of this? The growth of the world population is the main cause of this. The 20th century has added about 3.7 billion. In 20th century we had 3.7 billion. The present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. Now it is more than that. Now we are having at least 10 billion population in the world. Okay, at present, this is the way back we are talking about. That means estimated 5.7 billion. In every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 million. You can imagine. In every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 million. The choice is clear. The choice is clear before you. Either control population or perpetuate poverty. That means either control population, या तो आपको पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल करना है या तो गरीबी को बढ़ावा देना है, उसको बढ़ोतरी देना है. ओके, नाउ इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ we'll talk about we are not freeholders but tenants. This question always comes in the examination. That means we are not freeholders but tenants. That means, what do you mean by this? We should not think ourselves that we are the owner of this planet. We are not the owner of this planet. हम इस planet के मालिक नहीं हैं. We are only the tenants. That means if we are born in this planet Earth, one day we have to die also. If we are born in this planet Earth, one day we have to die also. That's why we have to procure this planet, secure this planet for our future generation, so that our future generation could also see all this. Okay, now we will be talking about that. We are not freeholders but tenants. It means we are not the owner of this planet Earth, we are the tenants. हम एक किराएदार हैं. That means हम बॉर्न हुए तो एक दिन हमारी डेथ भी होगी. It means that. Now see, Margaret Thatcher has summed up. Margaret Thatcher has said what? She has said, by declaring that no generation has freehold on this earth, as Margaret Thatcher has said, that no generation has freehold on this earth. That means no generation has a liable to think that he is the owner of this planet earth, कि वो इस धरती का मालिक है, वो ये ना सोचे. ओके, ऑल वी हैव इज अ लाइफ tenancy. All we have what is a life tenancy. That means we are having certain age. We are living up to certain age. That means we are not permanent members of this planet Earth. We are only the tenants. हम सिर्फ एक किराएदार हैं. That means हम born हुए तो एक दिन हमारी death भी होगी. If we are born, one day we have to die also. That's why we are having the life tenancy. That means we are having limited life in this planet Earth. Okay, as Lester Brown says, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. लेस्टर ब्राउन ने क्या कहा कि हमने ये प्लैनेट अर्थ अपने फोर फादर्स से नहीं पाया है, अपने पूर्वजों से नहीं पाया है, जो हम इसको डिस्ट्रॉय करें. ओके, तो वी आर नॉट लाइबल टू डिस्ट्रॉय दिस प्लैनेट अर्थ एट ऑल. व्हाट लेस्टर ब्राउन सेज, वी हैव नॉट इनहेरिटेड दिस अर्थ फ्रॉम आवर फोर फादर्स, वी हैव borrowed it from our children. That means हम इसको प्रोक्योर करेंगे, सिक्योर करेंगे अपने फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए, फ्यूचर जनरेशन के बच्चों के लिए, so that they could also see all these things. It is not only the question of the survival of human being. It is not only the question of survival of the human being, but also of the planet Earth. But also of the planet Earth. Means what? That means ये ह्यूमन रेस की सर्वाइवल की बात नहीं है, बल्कि किसकी बात है? प्लैनेट अर्थ की भी बात है. हमको प्लैनेट अर्थ को जो है फ्यूचर जनरेशन को दिखाने के लिए सिक्योर रखना है. तो दिस इज़ द चैप्टर ऑल अबाउट. थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. Be safe and healthy. Always take care of yourselves. Thank you. God bless you.